Hello, my name is Jerry Wright. I'm the President and CEO of American Business Incentive Services, and today's video is about why do we need your tax forms? Well, number one, it's required. Number two is that it's our CPAs, our tax incentive CPAs, that it's their E&O on the line, it's their work that's on the line, and it's their reputation on the line. Many of our tax incentive CPAs have their master's degrees. A lot of them are tax attorneys as well. So they have a whole lot on the line other than just your recovery. I'm not being mean or anything, but they process millions and millions and millions of recoveries every week. So they're and there's like 26, 28 of them. They keep adding more and adding more, but they're very experienced. The other reason why is because we have to collect what we call supporting documentation. So it's required by the IRS that we receive that. A lot of this information is in your taxes. Some of it's not, depending on the incentive that you apply for. That's the necessary information. But our tax incentive CPAs have to have that information in order for them to process your claims and get you an accurate number, and also be able to defend their work. So I want to make this clear. Our tax incentive CPAs, we don't care what your CPA, they don't care what your CPA did regarding your taxes, because it's not their fiduciary responsibility or liability. Your CPA is responsible for his work, or should be. You might want to ask him that question. Question is what happens if I get audited? Are you going to defend it? The other reason why is because our tax incentive CPAs, for example, they need the financial information to quantify the claim, substantiate the claim, but they also need your tax forms, because your CPA put in, and depending on the type of incentive you're qualifying for or applying for, R&D. Let's just take R&D. The Research and Development Tax Incentive has three parts mainly. IRS 4-part test, qualified research activities, qualified research expenses. So the qualified research expenses, I call them buckets, your CPAs call them categories. So he takes all of your employees, puts them in a bucket category, all of your wage supplies used and consumed in a bucket, wages paid to contractors in a bucket, and payments made to higher educational institutions and qualified scientific research organizations in a bucket. So he didn't split them out about who was responsible for what and where did the money go. He just puts everything into a bucket. Our tax incentive CPAs have to go into those buckets, pull out the information they need so they can put it in their formula and calculate your recovery. So very simple. Got to have them. Can't process your claim without them. So if you've made it this far in the process, as far as going through the interview, getting the link of uploading your tax forms, congratulations. That means congratulations, you pre-qualify, which means you exhibit all the behaviors. You've done everything. All you gotta do is upload your taxes. It takes about 15 minutes. It goes to a secure Dropbox link. It's locked and sent to the CPA. So if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, or recovermyoverpaidtaxes.com or recoveryouroverpaidtaxes.com. Either way, it takes you to the landing page. There's a little form you can fill on the right-hand side. Somebody will reach out and contact you. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video series, because remember, it's all about education. Education, information is power, and you need to be empowered about how much money you've left on the table. Thank you so much and have a great day.